Imagine waking up to see $10,000 sitting in your bank account. No boring part-time jobs, no waiting until you're older, just smart money moves that you can start today. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 proven ways teenagers are making $10,000 online. And let me tell you, the last method is a total game changer. So stick around till the end because I've shared the easiest and insane methods that could help you to make money online. So instead of wasting our time, let's get right into it, because time is money. Method number 1, flipping trending items. First up, let's talk about flipping trending items. This is how a lot of young hustlers make serious cash, by buying low and selling high. Flipping items is the best method to make your first $10,000. Here's what you need to do. You have to find hot items like limited edition sneakers, gaming consoles, sports jerseys, or even collectibles. Buy them for retail price from stores like Nike, Adidas, Best Buy, or Walmart. You resell them for huge profits on eBay, StockX, or Facebook Marketplace. Here's the real life example. Do you remember when the PlayStation 5 first came out? People bought it for $500 and resold it for $900 to $1,000. That's nearly double the profit. If you flip just 20 items at a $250 profit each, you've made $5,000 already. My personal favorite is car flipping, where you buy cheap cars for like $2,000 to $4,000 and then resell it at $6,000 to $8,000. Of course, these cheap cars comes with a lot of things that needs attention. For example, you buy a Honda Civic for $3,000 and it requires some fixings like speakers, bumpers, or mechanical fixes like oil changes, etc. If you add the cost, the car will cost you something around $4,500 and then you resell it at $6,000 or $7,000. Just to let you know, in car flipping, you'll have to do a lot of research to make a profit. I only recommend car flipping when you have a spare cash lying around. So, flipping things do work and it has some serious cash in it. Bonus tip, if you don't have the money to buy items up front, use Facebook Marketplace to find free or cheap items, clean them up, and resell for profit. Method number 2, social media automation. Ever seen those massive Instagram and TikTok pages with millions of views and no real person behind them? That's social media automation, and it's a goldmine. Here's how it works. Pick a niche like memes, motivation, luxury, tech, or gaming. You can use Canva or CapCut to make viral posts. You can schedule your posts in advance by using Meta Business Suite. Once you hit 10,000 plus followers, brands will start to pay you $50 to $500 per post for shoutouts and promotions depending on your followers. One guy started a luxury car page, gained 100,000 followers in 3 months, and now makes $3,000 a month from shoutouts. You want to know the fastest way to grow? Just post 3 to 5 times a day consistently and use trending hashtags. Yes, it really works. How do I know? Because I also own some Instagram theme pages that are making money through shoutouts and promotions. That's a good and amazing side hustle that you can start it right away just with your smartphone. No investment is required, just your time and attention is required. Method number 3, freelancing. Now, freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money without spending a dime. Even if you have zero experience, you can start today. Here's how. Step 1, sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Step 2, offer simple services like video editing. You can use CapCut or Premiere Pro to edit videos. Copywriting. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT that can help. Logo design. You can use Canva to design logos. Virtual assistant. You can start helping people with small online tasks. A beginner video editor charges $50 per edit. If you edit 4 videos a day, that's $200 per day or $6,000 per month. Pro tip, if you don't have a skill, learn one in a week on YouTube and start charging right away. I started my making money online journey with freelancing. I've made over $10,000 on just Fiverr and I'm still counting. Best side hustle to start your journey to your first $10,000 or more. Method number 4, YouTube cash cow channels. Next up, YouTube automation. This is where you create videos without ever showing your face. How does it work? You can pick a niche like luxury, motivation, history, or tech. You can use free stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay. Get an AI voiceover from 11 Labs or Speechify. Edit your video in DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. One of my friends started a motivation channel. It hit 1 million views and now makes $5,000 a month from ads. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for views. My advice is to keep uploading the quality videos. Try to make videos on viral topics and you will eventually reach your target. Not gonna lie, this shit really works. Method number 5. Affiliate marketing. This is the number one fastest way to hit $10,000 as a teenager. Here's how affiliate marketing works. Sign up for Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Find a hot product like a gaming chair, skincare, or gadgets. Post a short TikTok or Instagram reel reviewing it. Add your affiliate link in bio, and every time someone buys, you get paid. The best example, one viral TikTok about a $30 gadget made someone $20,000 in affiliate commissions. Bonus tip, use ChatGPT to write product reviews and scale even faster. That's it. 5 insane ways to make $10,000 as a teenager. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more money-making tips. Check the links in the description for free resources. Until next time, keep hustling and make that money.